welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do boho goddess braids, starting from the beginning to the finish. So here, that's her hair. My client, she's from Samoa. So I'm just gonna pack her hair upward and then go ahead and part the hair. So as you keep watching, you're going to see how I'll be adding the goddess coils and the braiding down. Then I'll keep adding as I braid down. So here I'm gonna part her hair at the back. So we are making medium size goddess braid. So as you can see, I'm parting the hair in medium parts. I'll start with a tiny extension because you have a long hair and a thick hair. So I'm going to use a tiny extension, straight extension. Well, I'll show you how to add the coils while you braid. So here I'm adding the coils. I will braid it down before I remove the coils. I'll add another one. I'll braid down and I'll remove it. So I'm just going to be adding like 2 or 1 at the back because it's going to tangle if you add a lot of it. So we are using this synthetic coils. It's not human hair. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please drop on the comment section and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. So as I keep braiding, then I'll remove the coils. So as you're watching, it's just like a repetitive work. There is nothing much, so just keep repeating the same thing over and over. So you just keep doing the same thing. So when I get to the middle and the front, I'll just keep adding the coils three in a braid. So I just keep adding 3 each. So I'm adding the third one now, and then I'll remove it. Thank you so much, guys. Just continue watching to see the finished parts of it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.